Hello, my food lovers. How una dey? You see how this my today my small brother birthday, guys. So I mean that go market. I want make it best meal fried rice. You don't go squeak go can glad. So na me that I don't buy my two chicken fix them. So na my thing I never go to use. I will use two chicken or they use Uncle Ben's rice for the fried rice. I don't buy some plantain. When I say two, we find for fried plantain. Put coconut fried rice. Then my oil that I dey use enough onion. Na my ginger that. Na my pepper that. Na my garlic that. So now my jima spice is that for chicken. What was spice I say use for soup, meat, stew. So na tin and never go to use them. So as you fit see now my white pepper that, so now my coriander that coriander. Now some spices too, spice chicken for fried rice. Now my thyme that the one na my dry thyme so get fresh thyme too. Oh, na my anive that, yes guys, na my anive that. I will leave the spice in the description box. So na my curry powder that, so na my maggi salt that what they use so or they use anive spices too. So I will put so one to a color say rice spice or put all them for description box. Na my vegetables in that, na my chicken that I don't cut into some sizable sizes. I go wash and clean. I go dey use or dey use limes for wash my chicken so that me clean, me no get some kind smell. So na my limes I don cut am. I don fit wash my chicken like 2 times before I dey add another limes for inside with water, clean water dey inside, wash and clean. As you fit see guys, rinse na inside cold water wey clean, then put am on top a drainage. So you fit see the chicken is well clean now. So na me that dey put am on top drainage. So na in that I go drain the chicken. So na my spices then I wan mix am all. Those are my spices: onion, garlic, ginger, pepper, enough garlic, enough onion. You fit see thyme, anive, coriander, all that thing dem. So na in that I don blend am together. So as you can see, that's how it is when you blend it. When you blend it, then place your chicken into a clean pot. That your chicken wey you don wash and put inside clean pot. Add now the spices, the mixed spices that you just blended. Add them. So now in that way they add my people. You didn't add no water, just add now the spices. Then I add now my jima spices. As you feel, say they use them for stew, meat, fried rice, and all the rest. They use them use spicy and meat. They use the sauce now for cooking and fried rice. So I use my curry. Yes, curry now. You must put curry for fried rice. Yeah, it's so good for fried rice. Now my curry powder, that what they use them. Now like that, I'll add my maggi and salt to taste already. Mix na my salt that what they add and so I'll add now my maggi. So that is it guys, that's just the process for fried rice. So mix and now you add your maggi and salt, mix and now well thoroughly. Then now you go cook now. So now I kind of go cook am for fire. You fit see how e dey, no add no water for inside. So I don slice my plantain. So add small salt for the mix and keep am. So I dey always arrange my thing dem accordingly so that when I want to use am, I just pick and use am. So now my chicken that for fire, e don dey bubble. At this moment e don dey bubble for about 5-6 minutes. I don add water now for there. I believe I mean if I no be add water so that mean the spice dey enter his skin. So now my I dey use cooking butter. Now my butter that for the fried rice. So now my vegetables in this I don wash and clean, arrange am, be ready now for cut am into some sizable sizes wey please me. So now the sizes never don cut am into a square, you can see. So now my chicken that it don't be on fire about some minutes. So now I think it's ready now. So at this moment my chicken all done. So I'm just checking and you see the sauce wey this one use and cook fried rice. So my chicken is ready. I just drain it. So now my sauce that and that is stock for meat that and the chicken that. So at this moment I put my oil for fire for fried chicken. As you can see I dey fry my chicken, the other side I dey fry my plantain. So at this moment everything is ready guys. The chicken tastes so good. If you guess how many I don chop am before I wan fry and finish. So my people, na my hot water that I dey put inside my rice. I dey wash my rice with hot water. So put hot water, put small salt, leave your rice, leave am inside about 7 minutes. You wash and drain am well. You wash and drain am. So now in that you can see how it is. It's somehow, how can I describe it, moist. If you see so my butter that I don melt am for fire. Then I go add now my onion saute about 2 minutes. Let it fragrant. Now I'll add my washed rice. Now like this, let's toast this rice about 7 minutes, 10 minutes. So I toasted my rice about 10 minutes, yes, because the rice be plenty. So I fry on a low heat. I fry it continuously, toast it, and now I'm adding my mixed stock. So now my mixed stock that what they add them Well, my meat stock it be really plenty because I be using 2 chicken at this moment. Now I dey add now my curry powder, then I add now that my jima spices. As for maggi and salt, everything already tastes inside the stock for chicken, because when you spice your meat or your chicken or goat meat or anything you're using for fried rice well, you no get problem with your fried rice. So now in that I don't leave, I don't dey cook about minute after adding the stock and everything. At this moment my rice don done. My people, fried rice not easy for cooker, so you meaning you get for the check am, meaning the buns until you slow fire. So now my garlic, ginger, one pepper and white pepper that I don grind am for the vegetable. So I fried my onion for it to fragrance. So and now I can add my green pepper and green bean. Now add my small curry powder, add maggi and salt, then add that my garlic, ginger, white pepper. Now the thing that I spice my vegetable with, then cover it for it to cook a little bit, not too much cook. Yeah, so now in that everything is ready, so I don't transfer the vegetable for some pot. Now I cut the rice, you fry on the low heat. So guys, this is my fried rice. It's ready. I'm preparing for my junior brother's birthday. It was so super. The rice was good. I said, I picking the chop, begin the ask, I say, I add and see. Even people that were passing by the roadside, some of them can't chop. Guys, see fried rice, go cry, my people. See fried rice, it takes time to cook it, but it's so nice. If you taste it, you can eat this every day. So that you want the dish and forgive my remake. So this is the table that I set for my junior brother. So as you can see, guys, this is the token I could offer. So now a friend that they all come more school. That is my junior brother. So we open this occasion by is it an occasion by giving them an opening prayer. So we committed everything in the hands of God, my people. Before you want to do anything for life, put them for God in hand first. Now for them we go work and find. So now we're praying. That's my junior brother. We're praying. After praying, we proceeded by singing a birthday song to him. We sing birthday song. As you feel see, oh my people, they're on the way now, wait for chop, because I know see fried rice go crying, all my people. So we proceeded by singing a birthday song. We singing birthday song. They ask, say, how old you be now? So you to go sing. So my people, the birthday is so good. They eat the see birthday boy. Birthday boy is smile anyhow. So you say he be +1 today. See, I love him so much. That's my blood. I can do anything for him. So I offer what I have from my heart. So at this moment I don't share. See, all man they take it right, then take a small one, just my people. So now so the day be pass. See, birthday pass fine. If friend dem for school don't come, they say birthday boy dance not train your birthday boy say wetin na birthday boy that is saka. See my way they feel I don't cook the best your fried rice. We fake carry shout chef blanche, chef blanche. As I just said, I cook fried rice. Jesus, it don't come out wrong over outside. So birthday boy the dance, oh birthday boy the dance. He was so happy and I loved it. I love seeing him happy like this always. If friend them be only the smile. If you see all then the smile the wake up. So this is me. I mean that be the share. I be see the share. The go people they only come na come. People they only come na come. So they say me they add juice on my small money be there guys. Say me they add juice. Them I remember to bring some whiskey for some big people they be there inside. Say me they chop drink to my people now. So the day passed. So it was so beautiful. It was such a great experience. Now my small boy, well, the gizzard because a man. I don't put the gizzard for you. Oh, he's hyping me. Say Chef Blanche 1-on-1. Chef Blanche, the only celebrity cook way I know. My junior brother is so funny. That's what he was saying, and his friends were laughing. So I made that. So now so the birthday end, oh my people.